tired of wasting hours creating content every single day? Let me show you how I create 1 week of content in just 1 hour using 3 powerful AI tools. Creating content every day is exhausting. You run out of idea, you don't know what to post, and it takes forever to make something good. But the good news? With the right AI tools, you can create 1 week of content in just 1 hour. Yes, just 1 hour. Let me show you how I do it. First, I use ChatGPT. What do I use it for? To get content ideas fast. Just type, "Hi Chat, give me 7 content ideas for fitness page." Boom, you have it. To write captions and video scripts, I say, write a 30-second script about the benefits of drinking water. It gives me a full script in seconds. To rewrite my old posts and make them sound better, I just say, make this caption more engaging. And it's done. It saves me to 3 hours every week. No stress, no burnout. Second tool is Canva. This is where I create all my visuals. Why Canva? It has thousands of templates for Instagram, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, everything. I just pick a template, change the text, and it's ready. You can even use AI inside Canva to generate designs and content ideas. It's called Magic Write. I use it when I'm stuck. Designing used to take me hours. Now, just 5-10 minutes per post. Third tool is CapCut, perfect for making short videos fast. Why I love CapCut? It comes with AI auto captions. No need to type subtitles. Just 1 click. It has trending templates for reels and shorts. I just upload my clip, pick a template, and it looks professional. You can even add voiceovers using AI voices. If you're shy on camera, this helps a lot. This tool saves me hours on editing, and my videos still look amazing. So here's my process. ChatGPT gives me 7 content ideas and writes my scripts or captions. Canva helps me design graphics and posts using templates. Finally, CapCut helps me edit my videos fast with subtitles and cool effects. In 1 hour, I'm done for the whole week. If you found this helpful, hit the like button so more people can see it. Subscribe for more tips like this. And tell me in the comment which AI tool will you try first.